Uh-oh. I thought that was going to happen. Oh, that's something. That's why I had got those peacocks I have. Because when I was working in this neighborhood one time, I saw those peacocks. Robert Gerber Memorial area of Houston. Here's the cage with the queen. Very nice, docile bees. We're going to be going to the Westside High School teacher, Lawrence Spence. And he lives near this area too. Here's the bees on the brood inside the cage. Being taking care of those babies. And on that frame there, queen. I know I've got the queen in here, or in that mass of bees on the outside, if not inside. But I know I've got her inside. Up here is where they were. I'll climb up and show you that. This is their old home. They had this Icynene. There's a piece of honeycomb left. You see? There's your thing. That's where they were. See, I don't need the suiting. Well, up there, except for that one, it almost stung my eye. But did it manage to. There's another piece, a couple pieces of comb there. I'll get that one from up in the attic and put it in the frame. And after a couple hours, we'll be ready to go.